morning children. In this session we are going to study about revision for our exam children. First I give some result for you. The 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. The 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. The 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. First problem children, the distance 650 kilometer and speed is 50 kilometer per hour. Then what is time they ask. So solution, the time formula, the time is equal to distance divided by speed. So you apply the distance 650 kilometer and speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So we need to strike out now. Children listen, 0, 0 cancel. 1, 5 is 5. In 6, how many? 5 children? 1. Then 1, 5 is 5. Here 6 you know, so you have remaining 1. So now you get this 1 plus 5, this 10. So 15. In 15 how many? 5? Yes, 3 5s are 15. Then kilometer cancel. What next? The 13. Here you have or you know in reciprocal. 1 divided by r, it change into numerator. What you get? This explanation I given in your regular class. You have to go through there. How it come? The 1 by r change into r. You have to refer there. So our answer is time is equal to 13 hours or 13 hours. The next problem. Here they given speed is equal to 700 meter per second. The time is 2 seconds. Solution. You know the distance formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. So our speed is 700 meter per second and time is 2 seconds. So we need to multiple children. Here 700 meter per second multiple by, so 700 meter per second means this like children per seconds multiple by 2 seconds. So first you cut the unit. Now we need to multiple 700 by 2. Any number multiple by 0, 0. Again 0 into 2, 0. 7 2s are 14. So how much? The distance is 1400 what? Our unit is meter. 1400 meter. This is our answer. So some result here children. Distance is equal to speed into time. The speed is equal to distance divided by time. The time is equal to distance divided by speed. Convert 70 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So our solution is 1 meter per second is equal to 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. This result explanation I given in your previous video. Go through the video children. So 70 meter per second is equal to 70 multiplied by 18 divided by 5. So you cut 1 5 is 5. How many times? 5 in 7. 1 time. So remaining 2. So now you get 20 children. So how many times? 5 in 20? 4 times. Now you have 14 multiplied by 18. So 14 multiplied by 18. 4 8s are 32. Cut the 2 right under the ones place. Carry the remaining 3 into the tens place. The 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. 1 4 is 4. 1 1 is 1 2 5 2. So how much? 252 kilometer per hour. So children, when we convert the 70 meter per second to kilometer per hour, we get 252 kilometer per hour. This is your answer, children. Okay, children, our next problem. Cost price is equal to rupees 10,500 and selling price is rupees 11,300. So find profit or loss. Children, listen here. Selling price is greater than the cost price. So surely we get profit. So profit formula is selling price minus cost price. Our selling price is rupees 11,300 minus our cost price 10,500. So we need to subtract 10,500 from 11,000. So 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. You can't subtract the 5 from 3. So the 1 here, the 1,000 you know that give into here. So what comes here? 13. So 13 subtract means after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So how much you get? 800. So rupees 800. So children, our profit is rupees 800. The next problem, the cost price is equal to rupees 12,000 and loss is rupees 2,000. Find its loss percentage. Loss percentage. So loss percentage formula is loss divided by cost price. Suppose we get profit means profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price. That's all. Multiple by 100. Here our loss percentage is equal to, our loss is 2,000. Cost price is 12,000. So we need to cut this. So you cut the zeros. 0, 0. 3 zeros we have to cut. 1, 2 is 2. 6 2s are 12. So we need to cut 100 divided by 6. So at last we get 100 divided by 6. So we need to divide 100 by which number? 6. So children, first digit 1, that is less than the divisor. So I take the 2-digit number. So 1 6 is 6. 2 6 are 12. So how many times? 1 time only, because here 12 we have 10 only. So 1 6 is 6. So subtract. Division is the repeated subtraction. So subtract 10 minus 6, 4. Then bring down the next digit. What you get? 40. So how many times 6 in 40? 3 6 are 18. 4 6 are 24. And 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. And 7 6 are 42. But here we have 40 only. So how many times? 6 6 are 36. 36. So you subtract. You can't subtract 6 from 0, you know. So 110 give means here 10. So 10 minus 6, 6 after. 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 finger. Here how much we go? We give 1 10 here. So 3 tens only here. 3 minus 3 0. So how much? 4. How many time? 6 time. So children, how can you write it? 16 and 4 divided by 6 percentage. This also you can cut 2 or else you have to leave it. This is your last percentage, children. Children, see the diagram and answer the question that follows. This is north, east, south and west. So children, our question, Mohan is facing north. He is facing the direction north. He then took 1 by 8 turn in the clockwise. So clockwise means how the clock handle has moved. This like so this is the clockwise direction. Find the direction he is facing now. So from north to east he has turned him face. Then how much turn? 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means the totally we know very well this is 360 degree because circle 360 degree. So 1 by 8. So 4 table we can cut it. 4 2s are 8 and how many times children? 9 and then here we have 0. 9 4s are 36. This 0 90 degree. Again we can cut it. 1 2 is 2. How many times 2 in 9? 4 2s are 8. Remaining 1 then 5. So 45 degree. So 45 degree means we know well this is 90 degree. So 45 means the half of the angle. So that means he has facing from here to here. So 45 degree. So this divided from north to east. That means between north to east. So between north to east, that means northeast direction. So our answer northeast direction. Isn't it? Then again Mohan took a 1 by 8 turn in the clockwise direction. Find the direction he is facing now. Again 1 by 8 means what children? Here 45 degree. Now only we find out 1 by 8 means 360 multiplied by 1 by 8 we get 45 degree. Again 1 by 8 means 45 degree plus 45 degree 90. So now only I said north to east. This is 90 degree. So where he face now? East direction. So where he is facing now? East direction. Isn't it? This time Mohan took a 1 by 4 turn in the clockwise direction. Again the clockwise direction. But how much? 1 by 4 turn. How much? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 you find it first. 1 by 4. 1 4 is 4. 9 4s are 36. Here 0 90 degree. So 90 degree. Already that boy facing east direction. Again he has 90 degree turn. You means where he has facing now? South. So where he has facing now? South direction. Okay. Our question still not completed. And changed his face to the opposite direction. So now he face south. But now 1 by 4 turn. After the 1 by 4 turn, he reaches south direction. But he has facing him face opposite direction means the south opposite what here? North. So which direction he has faced now? North direction. That is the correct answer. Isn't it? Our next. Children, see the map of India and answer the question that follows. First question, how many states of India starts with the letter M? Name them. Here, 5 state children, I name it. Afterwards, go through it. Can you see the map? Yes. Mizoram, Manipur, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Meghalaya is the 5 state. Start with the letter M. Next. Which of the following state is not in the east of India? So, before I thought one, direction, you know, this is north, south, east, west, children. Which is not in the east? They ask which one state not in the east, they ask. So which and all in east direction? Tripura, then Arunachal Pradesh, then what? Arunachal Pradesh is here, then Assam. So all these 3 are in the east direction. Which one is Haryana only? Where it is? It is in west. So or north. Anything northwest direction only. So Haryana is not lies in the east direction. So what's our answer here? Haryana. So which states are surrounding Delhi? See here, your Delhi surrounded by how many states here? The Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, where it is Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan, isn't it? So this is your answer, children. Children, I hope you all learned well your revision video. Please take your max note and write down it. Take practice for your exam. Thank you, children.